Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a butter pecan pound cake with cream cheese frosting. It's a moist and flavorful pound cake made with brown sugar, butter, and pecans, and it's frosted with my best ever cream cheese frosting. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Lightly grease a 9x5-inch loaf pan and set it aside for now. Then into a medium bowl, add in the flour. You can use all-purpose or cake flour. Cake flour will give you a bit of a lighter texture. Baking powder and salt. Whisk them until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the softened butter and brown sugar, and cream them with an electric mixer on medium-low speed for 5 minutes until the mixture is light, pale, and fluffy. Don't beat it on a higher speed or it won't incorporate as much air into the mixture. Add in the eggs one at a time. Make sure they're at room temperature. Beating really well after adding each one. Scrape down the sides and continue beating. Add in the vanilla extract. Mix it in until it's combined. Then add in the dry ingredients. Mix it by hand until it's almost combined but not fully incorporated. Then add in the chopped pecans and mix it until it's just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Level out the top. And bake it in the oven for about an hour or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Then turn it out of the pan onto a cooling rack and let it cool completely. Once it's completely cooled, frost it with my best ever cream cheese frosting. I'll link to the video showing how to make this in the description box. And you only need half the recipe for this pound cake, and the measurements for half the recipe are in the description box of that video. And if you like, top it with some more pecans. And that's how to make a butter pecan pound cake with cream cheese frosting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.